Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by a special guest for a recap of the first round. Before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Kayla Smoot was the winner of last week's contest. She received 95% of the votes and had an average score of 4.9. Congratulations, Kayla. I also want to send a special thank you to Taylor Floyd, who did a great job as well. Finally, I want to thank everybody who voted last week at MakeupBattle.com. Next week will be the first matchup of the freestyle round. During round 2, the makeup artist will have the challenge of completing the same looks as their opponent, and voters will choose the winner. Now let's meet our special guest, Alexander Worst from K97.5. Hey, Ayeeedubb.
Hey, girly. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing good. I'm excited to be on this show. I'm starting to get into makeup, but I love, getting into makeup battles, seeing other people who know what they're doing put it together. So I'm excited to be here today.
Good. Well, thank you so much. We're happy to have you. We'll start by having you tell us a little bit about yourself.
For sure. So, my name is Ayeeedubb. That's who I be. I am middays at K97.5. That's weekdays, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. I've been doing radio for about 6 years now. Raleigh is my home. I've been around to Charlotte, Indiana, and Albany, New York for radio, but I'm now back down here in Raleigh. So everything's been good. It's a blessing. I love it. So, yeah.
I love K97.5. So congratulations to you for being here.
Thank you.
All right. Well, today's episode is a recap of round 1. We'll take a look back at the first 4 battles, starting with an epic showdown between Zariah and Shabrittany.
I love these eye looks. Obviously, I can tell Shabrittany's eye makeup just pops because of the crease, the eyebrows, the inner corner, the lashes. I love Shabrittany's, but I also love Zariah's because of the cut in the eyebrow, the little detail here, her lashes. They're both serving face, as the MUA say. So I love both.
Yes, they really did a great job. I love the attention to detail. Like you said, both of them, they had really good looks. I love the heart on Zariah's face. Yes. And I love Shabrittany's pop of color. She had red, white, and blue, 4th of July. Yes. All right. The second episode was a contrast of styles. Gavin turned into a mushroom fairy, and Shelby showed us her everyday look with a bit of glam. Check it out.
Okay, Gavin is assignment, a whole assignment, okay?
He is.
I love his the highlighter, I put like little dots that I see. It looks really good. The eyeliner, the pinks, the cut crease again, even the blush on the tip of the nose and the highlight. I love it. And then Shelby's, I feel like I'm looking in the mirror when I look at Shelby because it looks like me. Like that's the makeup look I would do, but it's still like a good makeup look, very natural every day. But Gavin is like, you just want to step on some people's necks. You do that for sure.
I really loved his look. He came in one way and he transformed into a mushroom fairy. I loved his earring, just kind of like a little butterfly. And I love, like you said, the dots on his eyes. And Shelby's look is very pretty. Really pretty, kind of like you said, everyday makeup look.
Mm-hmm, exactly.
I loved it. All right, the third matchup last month was super competitive. Kiara blessed us with her glam and her brand, while Crystal showed us how to how to perfect a cut crease.
Ooh. Both of these ladies are gorgeous. I love Kiara's blue eyeshadow with like the reddish pink lip. And of course, the septum game. Love that. And then Crystal's, she's just giving everything from the hair. I know this is a makeup battle, but hair battles on these women. I love her eyebrows on Crystal, her cut crease. Very like if I wanted to step out and like really like show up and show out, I would go with Crystal's look, but Kiara's look is so cute because that pop of color is everything. I love that.
I love the pop of color also, and I love that Crystal's was a little bit more like your everyday look, so that's something that I would wear too. Just out and about, I would wear that. I loved it. Loved them both.
Yes.
All right, the final battle of the month was memorable as well. Kayla drew inspiration from her grandfather's spirit, and Taylor showed us some of her signature style.
I love both of these looks. Kayla is just, I love the detail on the eyeshadow because it's rhinestones on there, right?
Yes.
That takes patience, dedication. Me, I would just try to do one big eyeshadow, and if I can't blink the rest of the night, then it is what it is. That's all the effort
I loved it.
Good. And then Taylor's like, that's like the makeup you do when you're going to see your man's family for the first time. You gotta be like all wholesome and like cute. I love both of these looks though. Different vibes, different like occasions, but just both are so good. I love them.
Totally different, but they're both great. Rhinestone's great. I love sparkles. Love sparkles. And Taylor, just a good everyday kind of look. I love it.
Same.
All right. Well, again, I want to thank you so much for being on our show today. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we resume the tournament. Tomorrow, we'll be introducing 2 new makeup artists, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, Makeup Battle Show, for updates. Bye.